These two outputs were generated by the same AI model using the same basic request. The version on the right is more structured and detailed because the user provided the AI with a comprehensive context layer before asking the question. Most users receive generic guesses from their AI because they have never introduced themselves to the tool. Without a specific understanding of your business or your role, the AI defaults to the broadest possible pattern recognition available in its training data. A master prompt solves this by functioning as a permanent, personal instruction manual. It defines exactly how the AI should interpret your requests based on a specific role, such as a software founder or a marketing strategist. This manual is built on 4 pillars. First is the role, who the AI needs to be. Second is the context, the background details. Third is the command, the specific action required. And fourth is the format, whether you need a table, PDF, or code. Saving these 4 pillars into a single document provides a reference layer for every future interaction. The AI no longer needs to guess the parameters of your business because they are hard-coded into the initial prompt. To begin, select one primary AI platform, such as Claude or ChatGPT, and open a fresh session. Mastering one tool first makes the logic of other models much easier to grasp later. Standard push prompting requires the human to do the heavy lifting, creating a back-and-forth correction loop. Instead, use pull prompting. You provide the final objective, and the AI takes the lead, reverse engineering the steps to identify what information it lacks. Type this command into the chat. I want to create a master prompt for my role as a insert role. Ask me all the questions you need so you can build this document for me. The AI will stop trying to generate a solution and will instead output a targeted questionnaire. It is identifying the specific variables it needs to understand your context. Avoid the urge to switch tools or start answering these questions individually. Wait for the model to finish its entire list of inquiries. Forcing the AI to generate the questions ensures the final document contains the specific data points its internal model requires to align its future outputs with your actual objectives. Reviewing a list of 10 or more complex questions can create immediate friction if you feel pressured to type out perfect, formal responses. To remove this barrier, locate the microphone icon on your mobile or desktop interface. You will provide the data verbally rather than through the keyboard. Simply speak aloud and answer the AI's questions. Discuss your business structure, detail your current challenges, and explain your specific goals. Do not worry about using filler words, pausing, or providing a disorganized answer. AI models are advanced pattern recognition engines designed to parse messy, unstructured text. They can extract meaningful data from a rambling recording more efficiently than a human can. Using voice-to-text allows you to provide a high volume of contextual detail that would be too tedious to type out manually. After you submit the transcription, the AI synthesizes your spoken words into a highly organized draft of your master prompt. If any part of the draft feels generic or misses a key nuance of your work, tell the AI to update those specific sections. You are refining the logic until it reflects your actual workflow. Once the text is accurate, command the AI to format the final version as an exportable PDF file. Save this file to your desktop with a clear name, such as masterpromptfounder.pdf. To use this asset, open any new chat session and upload the PDF first. This provides the AI with an immediate download of your personal and professional context before you ever issue a new command. This workflow removes the need to repeat yourself. Every new interaction starts with the AI already aware of your constraints and goals. You now have a portable asset that standardizes your AI interactions across any platform you choose to use. This master prompt provides the personal context needed to effectively use the next level of AI logic, the system prompt. A system prompt is a repeatable recipe designed to execute specific, recurring workflows. While the master prompt tells the AI who you are, the system prompt tells it how to perform a specific process, like reconciling a budget or drafting a newsletter. Without the context from your master prompt, these automated systems generate generic templates that still require manual editing. When using them together, it allows the AI to apply your specific business variables to a complex workflow automatically. To mark your shift toward this specialized workflow, leave a comment stating this